Unlock your inner pastry chef and bake your way to riches in farming and friends with the ultimate guide to the cake factory. First things first, let's find your cake factory. It's usually located in the central hub of your farm, a delightful structure just waiting to churn out delicious treats. To get baking, you'll need the right ingredients. The most common components for your cakes will be wheat, which you grow yourself, and eggs, often sourced from your chickens. Keep a steady supply of these on hand to avoid production delays. Tap on your cake factory to open its interactive menu. You'll see slots where you'll need to place your harvested wheat and collected eggs. Drag and drop your ingredients into their designated spots. The required amounts will clearly be displayed for each cake recipe. Now, for the fun part, choosing your cake. The Cake Factory offers a variety of recipes, from simple sponge cakes to an elaborate tiered creations. Each cake requires different ingredient ratios and takes a different amount of time to bake. Select the cake you wish to bake. Notice the timer that appears. This indicates how long until your masterpiece is ready for maximum efficiency. Try to schedule your baking so the cakes finish while you're actively playing or about to log back in. While your cakes are baking, focus on replenishing your ingredient stock. Harvest your wheat fields promptly and ensure your chickens are happy and producing eggs. A consistent flow of ingredients is key to continuous cake production. Once the timer hits 0, your delicious creation is ready. Tap the collect button to add your perfectly baked cake to your inventory. These cakes are valuable, ripe for selling to the market for a handsome profit. Selling your cakes in the market is where the real magic happens. Observe market prices and consider holding on to certain cakes for a short period if you expect their value to increase. This strategic selling will boost your in-game currency and help you expand your farm. By mastering the Cake Factory, you're not just baking, you're building a thriving business. Experiment with different recipes, optimize your ingredient supply, and watch your profits soar. Happy baking, farmers!